Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Here it comes. This really cool looking, small sized, 8-bar thing wireless microphone. This is a lavalier microphone. It is wireless. It's a phone one lapel microphone. It's a mini microphone mobile phone for an iPhone, for an Android phone, for a personal computer. That means it's plug and play. It's a small microphone for mobile phone, lavalier wireless, for TikTok recording or live recording, as you like. If you have a bad sound on your smartphone, for example, or other device, you can gain that sound, or you like to make an interview. Then you can use that two microphones to perform a nice and good performed microphone with two people. It's plug and play, automatic pairing, because this clap-on microphone can be automatically paired with the receiver as soon as both are switched on at the same time. That means plug and play, baby. No app or drivers are required. We can use the mini microphone at any time. And here we have a 4-in-1 design and a wide compatibility with the 3-in-1 receiver and the USB-C adapter that supports Lightning, USB-C, 3.5mm TRS, and USB ports. The mini wireless microphone is compatible with iOS devices, most Android phones, cameras, computers, laptops, and so on. It additionally the receiver supports connection with two microphones at the same time. This microphone should be not compatible with the Samsung device, but it is connectable. You see, that is a Samsung phone. So you have to check the phones, the tablets, and computers are compatible with that, with an external microphone. We check the devices and make sure that they work with the microphone. And the microphone itself has noise reduction and a clear recording. Thanks to the noise reduction chip, the lavalier microphone can record wireless clearly and precisely and filter out the background noises. Thanks to the clip design, we can attach the microphone to our collar to have our hands free. Of course, we should take handle of it. We must not touch the microphone gap or shake the microphone during use, so as not to affect the recording process. And we have a long distance wireless transmission here. The range of the wireless transmission can be up to 19 meters without blocking to achieve automatically real-time synchronization and sound synchronization too, without delay. Even with some blocks, the effective range can be 2 up to 3 meters, and I think that's enough for an interview. In the meantime, we can charge the lavalier microphone during use if we need it. And as you can see, it's portable and versatile to use. The wireless lavalier microphones for mobile phones is only very light, so it's easy to carry where we are on the go. A small lavalier microphone can record 2 sound sources at the same time. That means it's suited for TikTok, podcasts, double interviews, vlogs, video recording, live streaming, and of course, broadcasting. And so much more, because you can use it plug and play. Have you ever been annoyed about the bulky microphones? Do you want to vlog or record beautiful moments with our family and friends? This mini microphone here can solve this problem. We connect the receiver to our device. After turning on the receiver, the indicator flashes. We turn on both switches of the microphone and receiver at the same time. If we have to switched on the receiver before, now we turn on only the microphone. We will see that both indicators become green automatically, baby. That means the pairing is successful. No Bluetooth or app is required. That means here we have a talk network. That's plug and play, baby. It makes a good job. And we have a widely compatibility with the various devices, with a 3-month receiver and a USB-C adapter that supports Lightning and USB and 3.5mm TRF and USB ports. The wireless mini microphone is compatible with the Apple iOS devices and the most Android phones, cameras, computers, laptops, and so on. That's really cool for live streaming or video broadcasting. This makes our life happier because this small lavalier microphone can record 2 sound sources at the same time. That's really cool, suitable for TikTok, podcast, double interview, vlog, video recording, live streaming, and broadcasting. The wireless lavalier microphone for a mobile phone is really light, so it's easy to carry and easy to use. Every day, baby. With the microphone, we can record precisely moments and share it to us and our friends or a community. We have an intelligent noise reduction. We have remote transmission. We have support charging while recording. So, you're ready for a new dimension of sound quality. If you have bad sound on your smartphone, for example, this is a solution part of it. This is the eBerthang lavalier microphone set. It's a wireless set. You only have to plug in the receiver into your source. That means the source should be a smartphone, for example, by the Lightning jack, by this USB jack, and so on. And then it will be automatically paired with the microphone and the receiver. And you can start recording immediately. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.